Hello everyone and welcome to today's English story. I'm so happy you are here to learn English with me. Today we have a simple and sweet story called Anna's New Friend. This story will help you learn new English words and practice speaking. Let's begin. Anna is a new girl at school. She is shy. She sits alone in the classroom. Tom sees Anna. He smiles. "Hello, what's your name?" he asks. "My name is Anna," she says quickly. "Nice to meet you, Anna." "I'm Tom," he says. Tom sits next to her. They talk about their favorite games. Anna likes football. Tom likes football too. Soon, Anna is happy. She has a new friend. Now, let's learn some new words from the story. The first word is new. New means not old. For example, Anna is a new girl at school. Shy means not comfortable talking to people. For example, Anna is shy. Alone means by yourself. For example, she sits alone. Smile means to show happiness with your face. For example, Tom smiles at Anna. Friend. Friend means a person you like and trust. For example, Tom is Anna's new friend. Now let's learn some useful expressions. What's your name? Nice to meet you. I like football. She is shy. He smiles at her. The moral of the story is a small smile can start a big friendship. Now let's answer few simple questions. What is the girl's name? Why is Anna shy? Who talks to Anna? What game do they both like? What can we learn from this story? Take some time to respond to these questions. Great job, everyone. Thank you for learning English with me today. If you enjoyed this story, like the video and follow me for more. See you in the next lesson. Bye.